Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon meringue eclairs. Let's begin. So to start the recipe you'll want to get yourself a medium saucepan. Into that you'll want to add your water, your butter and your salt and place that on the heat until it reaches a boil. Once it reaches a boil, take it off the heat and add in your flour, stirring that in until it's fully incorporated. Adding it back to the heat, mixing continuously while it's on the heat, cooking out that flour. And once you've cooked out the flour, you'll know it's ready once it starts to leave a coating on the bottom of the saucepan. So once the flour is cooked out of your choux, you can then add it into your stand mixer bowl or a mixer bowl of choice and just beat it until it's cool enough to add in your eggs. And once you start adding your eggs, make sure you're adding one at a time, beating well in between each addition. You will notice that the consistency does change as you add in your eggs, and this is what you're looking for. So once your choux pastry is done, put it into a piping bag and snip off the end. Then you can start to pipe it out, making sure that you pipe it out at around 5 inches, there or about. I managed to get 6 of these onto my tray, but you may be able to get more or less depending on the size of your tray. This tray was around a foot long and just under a foot wide, so work with what your tray dimensions are. So if your choux pastry is still up on the end where you finish piping, just dab it down with some water on your finger, give them all a good egg wash, and then you can sprinkle some water on the tray. This just helps them steam and bake, and here is what they look like once they are fully baked and near enough cooled. I just put mine onto a cooling rack to cool completely. So to make the filling, you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl and add in your double cream, your icing sugar and vanilla, and then just whisk this all together until the double cream starts to hold its shape. Being careful not to over whip the cream at this stage, otherwise it will be granular and might as well turn it into butter. Place the cream into a piping bag fitted with a small star nozzle, then you can start to pipe it into the eclairs. So when you're piping in the cream, be careful not to overfill them, as you do want to put some of the lemon curd in. As you can tell, I've inserted 3 lots of cream and I will insert 3 lots of lemon curd, but feel free to just do it at either end. So to start on the meringue mixture, you'll want to place your egg white into your clean bowl and just whisk that up until it starts to become frothy. And once it does become frothy, you can start to add in your sugar a little at a time until the mixture has become volumized and it's smooth and glossy. The perfect meringue will hold its shape and won't move or anything, so make sure you keep whisking until you get to that stage. Then you can get the meringue mixture put into a piping bag and fitted with a nozzle. This nozzle is just offline, so it hasn't got an official name. And then I just start to pipe it on top in a rope effect. And you'll want to repeat this for the remainder of your eclairs. So the final step is the most fun one, and if you've got a blowtorch it'll be much easier. If you haven't, I don't know how you'll do it. You'll want to start to torch the meringue. To do this, you'll just want to get your blowtorch and then just gently burn away at the meringue, not till it's charcoal, but till it's darkened. And if you like yours more dark or more light, you can customize it to suit you. So once you've got all of your meringues torched, that's it, they are done. If you don't intend to eat them straight away, you'll want to eat them the same day. Otherwise you can keep them a couple of days in the fridge with just a cream filling. And if you want to make your choux in advance, you can, that freezes really well. But that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. Have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Message me on my social medias on my blog. I will leave all those links down below. But until next week, bye guys.